How to change camera and flashlight on lock screen iOS 18. Let's get started. With upgrade to iOS 18, now you are able to change camera and flashlight on your lock screen. For that, head over to your lock screen, swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Once you're in the lock screen, now press and hold on anywhere in the screen. Click on Customize given at the bottom. Click on Lock Screen. Now you are able to customize your lock screen. You'll see this minus icon at the top left of the camera and flashlight. Click on those options. Now click on this plus icon. Now you're gonna see the list of the controls that you can use instead of camera and flashlight. So I'm gonna add dark mode. Likewise, I'm gonna add alarm. Once you are done, click on done. With that, you have just changed camera and flashlight on lock screen on iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.